InnOValley is an opportunity.
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 I think I can say hope.
This innovation is hope.
The main objective was to develop a new antimicrobial against multi-drug resistant Klebsiella pneumonia. It's a bacteria that has acquired resistance to almost all antibiotics that exist nowadays.
The idea is to use spores of a non-pathogenic bacteria, a model bacteria called Bacillus subtilis, to display enzymes at the surface of the spore. And those enzymes are the ones that we use in diagnostic of pathogens using LUMP.
In our laboratory, we are interested in the natural protection conferred by the gut microbial community. And we had identified a bacterium from the gut microbial community that protects against invasion of pathogens. And we have shown that that bacterium is quite protective in IBD context, in inflammatory bowel diseases.
We developed collagen-based biomaterials, which were peptide-based materials that mimic the collagen, the protein of the skin. And simultaneously, these biomaterials, they have conductive properties. Then our team brainstormed about what would be the proof of concept application for our materials, and we thought about developing a biobattery.
Our project uses computational methods to design the small proteins that mimic neutralizing antibodies against arboviruses such as Zika, dengue and chikungunya. And our goal is to develop prophylactic and therapeutic strategies to fight these viral infections.
The InnOValley Proof of Concept Award was quite perfect for what we wanted to do, because we usually work in a very fundamental research, and this allowed us to open the scope of our research into more applicability.
Actually, we were at a very early stage of the research, so we had some preliminary data. The data were interesting and exciting, so the InnOValley POC Award was like a push for this project.
Funding was fundamental to advance our research. We already had promising and exciting results, but we need to further advance our studies so that they get to the next stage in proving their potential commercial value.
It's easy to apply. It's an early stage funding mainly for ideas with some preliminary data, and that's what we had.
Its application form, it's also simpler compared to other very long, exhaustive applications from other funding sources.
As a scientist, our biggest dream is to develop technologies that could impact our society in general, not only to enhance the quality of life, but also to address different problems that the world has in general.
I see myself more as a fundamental scientist. I like to do fundamental research. I think fundamental research is essential for applied science. I think it would be wonderful at the end of my career or at the middle of my career to have a product that came from my fundamental research.
And so if we could develop such a compound that could be active against this bacteria, we would be saving lives. So I think that's the dream of every researcher, is to contribute to a better life for society.
What I intend to do going forward with my career is really this step forward into applicability, trying to discover new mechanisms using scientific research to help patients. And InnOValley Proof of Concept Award was actually the first step that I've taken in that direction.